Shiny Fonse. So today I got this. 3 months late. It's a birthday present anyway, so whatever. I'm cool. iTech. This are worth £300. I got them for £10. Also, my mother got them for £10. So I'm gonna show you guys me unboxing it. Oh, okay. Let's see what it comes with. Is this okay? Ah, there we go. Okay, so it comes with this, other headphones themselves, and these are the stands. Ooh, it comes with a stand too. Ooh, cool. Let's set us up. This is, where does it go? Where's it going? Oh, here. Okay. Cool. Let me see. Can you guys see me? Apologies, my room's kind of messy. As you can see. Alright. So here I am. I'm thinking this. Oh, no, don't fall. Stand thing, don't fall. So, which part am I supposed to put in? Really not sure. That can't be right. I'm so happy right now. Okay, maybe why one person here? Or do they both go in the stand and I'm mistaken this whole time? There's only one. It's got an audio chat monitor too. How do I charge this? Batteries. Of course. Alright, do the stand part later. Figure out if these puppies work. Ooh. I want to remove the tapes because it looks so pretty. And I want to preserve it for as long as possible. So let's see how this looks. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. With the ears, like, okay. That does not look good. Okay, there we go. I'll get back to you guys if they work or not. Thanks for watching.